Namaskar. Good afternoon, everybody. I am Bikash Nath, a teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya, and at present I am working at Kendriya Vidyalaya Masimpur, and I am also an active member of Bharat Scout Guide KBS State Silchar Division. Well, today I like to talk on something very common problem, and obviously it is a very serious problem, so to say. Truly speaking, most people among us hardly ever think about the seriousness of the problem and do ever realize it. The abundant use of plastic in our country and throughout the world has become a serious concern, as it is life-threatening for us and all the species in the world. Today, I like to share the information about some items that contains plastic, but most of us do not even realize it. These plastic contents, whatever amount it may be, are killing us bit by bit and little by little. There is no doubt at all. The microplastic particles we are eating directly and indirectly and also being inhaled by us, which is causing great harm to our body. So why not it matters the most? Number one, if we think about tinned food or canned food, we can see and realize that nearly all tin cans are plastic lined inside. Most cans as of 2018 are lined with bisphenol A, which is a plastic chemical that has been linked to cancer, obesity, and other serious health conditions. Tins and cans have a thin coating on the interior surface, essential to prevent corrosion and contamination of food and beverages. Plastic leaches into the contents of food and thus is a source of microplastic to our diet. Plastic have been used for years to make nearly everything that surrounds us. Air, bottled water, seafood are the proven source of microplastics. These microplastics stays in the environment. Americans eat, drink and inhale over 74,000 microplastic particles each year, according to the new analysis published in the Journal of Environmental Science and Technology. Secondly, I like to mention the seafood. The seafood is the biggest source of ingested microplastics that most of us do not realize. World's ocean contain significant amount of microplastic that are not visible to human eyes. Fishes and aquatic animals eat microplastic which enters tissues and membranes of their cells. So, eating sea fish is a big source of microplastic to our diet. When we take a careful look around our home, we see that huge number of things that are made of plastic may even surprise us. So, thirdly, let me say about the tea bags. Recent study says that as of 2019, over 95% of tea bags contain plastic. Plastic is used for sealing of most tea bags. Canadian researchers published in American Journal of Environmental Science and Technology that soaking a tea bag at brewing temperature can release about 1.3 billion nanoplastic particles and 11.6 billion microplastic particles into our each cup. While sealing the tea bags to keep their shape in hot liquid, plastic polymers such as polypropylene must be added, because these polypropylene are actually needed to keep the shape of this tea bag in the hot water. Now this polypropylene adversely affect our body's endocrine system and whatnot. The most distributed manufacturing companies say that the cost of packaging plastic-free tea bags becomes costly, but that is not the solution to control the plastic pollution. Tiny microbits of polythene plastic are added in Indian cosmetics, cleanser, toothpaste, etc. Apart from these, microplastic particles are found in beer, it is found in honey, it is found in salt produced from seawater, tap water, drink cartons, cigarette filters, and why not in ribbon that most of us do not know. Microplastic found in human stool. Austria tested stool samples from about the 8 countries in the world and found microplastic particles in every sample. In 26th United European Gastroenterology Week in Vienna last year, they reported 20 microplastic particles in every 10 grams of stool. Chewing gum. That chewing gum that we chew was originally made from the sap of trees. But now we are chewing on plastic that stick around in the environment. However, supermarket giant Iceland nowadays has started selling the plant gum. All these everyday items contain hidden plastic, but how many of you are aware of that? So let us just pause, think for a while where we are. It is a joint effort, friends. All people should create awareness, irrespective of whether we are buyer or seller, and cooperate with the strong administration and join the movement to fight against plastic pollution. All should unitedly fight to win over the challenge of plastic pollution, like fighting against coronavirus for the disease-free, happy and long life. So friends, we are already late. If we are not fighting with the plastic pollution with iron hands at this moment, there is no way to save ourselves, our children and our next generation from the serious consequences. So friends, let us go hand in hand, stop not till we achieve success, and till the success is bound to kiss on our feet. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaskar. Hoping to come with another topic very soon. Jai Hind.